Can I have an egg?
No! Sometimes that guy is very annoying.
You're gonna grow an avocado tree here?
Yeah. Today we're gonna make tuna salad. Hello, this is Nina Carmichael. Thank you for coming back. Today we're gonna learn how to make tuna salad. I hope you guys will enjoy, and this is a super easy recipe to make. What you will need is, I'm gonna use 2 avocado. You could use 1 is enough, but I like avocado, or we like avocado, so we're gonna use 2. 3 stalks celery, 3 cans of tuna, and then lemon. We're gonna use 3 eggs. First, you need to boil the eggs. We're gonna wait for the water to boil and then put the eggs in there. I usually like my eggs to cook for 7 minutes because I like the soft boil. For this tuna salad, I'll cook it just a little bit, a minute or 2 minutes longer, because I'm gonna mix with the tuna and avocado. Okay, so we're gonna put the eggs in there. I don't want to burn myself, or I don't want to crack the eggshell, so I'm just gonna use a spoon and put it in there gently. And then set a timer for 8 minutes. I actually forgot to mention one ingredient. Also, I will also use a quarter of the onion. If you have red onion at home, I will recommend you to use red onion. If not, then yellow one will work. Okay, let's start the chopping. So dice the onion finely. You guys know how much I love chopping onions. Just put everything in one bowl because you're just gonna mix them later on. And for celery, I will dice the celery too. I like the crunchiness of the celery in the tuna salad. All right, everything is chopped up. Just the onion and the celery. So right now I'm gonna put the tuna in the bowl, and then wait for the eggs. We can mix together. This is a super easy salad to make. If you're not doing keto, you just eat whatever. You can make it a sandwich, tuna sandwich. Because we're doing keto, so I will just eat it with the salad. I don't really like the tuna juice, so I'm gonna dump out the juice. The juice is gone. Now we need to put it here. If you don't like tuna, you can also use cooked chicken. That will do too. Super healthy and easy to make. Oops. Some tuna drop on the floor. And here comes the mole. Timo, he wants to eat it. Oh, here comes Tristana too. The eggs are ready. I'm gonna dump it out and then put it in the cold water so that it's easier for me to peel the eggshell. Look at this, these steamy hot eggs. Oops. Let's continue. 1 more can of tuna. You guys could use mayonnaise if you want. A lot of people use mayonnaise. If not, you can use avocado and eggs. Okay, just mix it first. Mix the tuna. Next, we're gonna peel the eggs. I bought a lot of eggs this morning. I went to Costco at 9 in the morning. Actually, I got there just before 9, but then there's like huge lineup. There was a huge lineup to get in. I waited half an hour in line. They have like 2 meters between each person, and then each person can only bring in 1 guest. So I was there and I bought like 4 of the 24 packs of eggs, because Evan and I we eat eggs every day. So I bought a lot, and that will last us for a few weeks. I like saving these eggshells for my garden. My garden. I seeded peppers last week, and then I seeded what do you call that? I seeded tomato just over the weekend, and I also start to see if I can grow broccoli and cauliflower. That was like done in mid-March or beginning of the March. The leaves are already growing. They go like about this big. So, fingers crossed, I hope I can grow some broccoli and cauliflowers. Okay, the eggs are in here. I'm gonna cut some avocado.
I need to eat something.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
I'm almost done.
Can I have an egg?
No!
Can I massage your neck?
Yes.
Not while you're cutting a knife though. Can I have an avocado? Can I taste test to make sure it's good?
No,
Rub
it's
the
not.
butter
There's
in it.
nothing in there.
What do you mean? There's tuna?
No,
there's
there's
egg,
no,
the celery?
there's no condiment.
Oh, I'll still eat it.
Okay. I even start growing avocado seeds. I put the avocado in the water. I didn't put avocado in the water. I put avocado seeds in the water for 2 weeks now. I hope they will grow.
Into what? Isn't it? Don't they grow on a tree?
No, you have to first put the seeds in the
Uh-huh.
water. Bring it
then?
over. You will see by the window.
But to actually get an avocado, you have to grow a tree, no?
Yeah, it will turn into a tree.
You're gonna grow an avocado tree here?
Yeah, I don't know if it works because it's not hot enough.
Is a tree taller than you? Avocado tree?
Okay, be quiet, go away. Where's my spoon? My spoon's here. Sometimes that guy is very annoying. I don't know how I can deal with him every day. I'm gonna add some garlic powder to my salad. It's pretty big salad, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I haven't took my other salt, so I'm gonna have to grind with these ones. Add some pepper. I like peppers. I don't like grinding them because they're so hard to grind. Oh, don't forget lemon. Lemon juice. Depends on how big this lemon you have. You could use a full one if it's a tiny, or you can use 2/3 if it's a large lemon. Or you could add half and see how sour do you like your tuna salad. Okay, now we can mix it together. And I could eat first because Evan is busy filming. Oh, this morning I was at Costco. I got it, they open at 9 o'clock. Well, actually 8 to 9 is the senior hours. So they open at 9 o'clock for everyone to go in. I got there at 8:45, waited half an hour to get in. And by the time I got in, it's like 9:30. And Lysol wipes are all gone. They all sold out on the first an hour and a half in the morning. I'm so sad because I can't get any. I hope you guys are doing well and safe. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna do a taste test to see if it's salty enough. You know how Evan likes his salty food. Just right. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper because this guy, the guy in the other room, likes salty food. With this tuna salad, it's better to eat it on the day off because it has avocado in there. Don't let it sit to the next day. Otherwise, avocado will turn brown. All right, this is ready. The next step, it's optional. You guys don't have to do it. If you like bread, you can make a tuna sandwich. But we're doing keto from Sunday to Friday. So I'm gonna make some salads and then put it on top of the salad. So I'm gonna wash my greens. Even though sometimes you will see the package say that they're already washed, but I don't know how much you trust on those ones. So I'm gonna wash my greens. I'm gonna put some over here. And then I'm gonna cut up some peppers and cucumbers. Why not? And then I could start putting the tuna on the salad. Here you go, the tuna salad. Tuna salad is ready, but he's not ready. So I'm gonna just wait until he's ready and then we can let him try. He's hungry too. This is I like my stuff in the bowl. We have some left. We can eat that later, I guess. Because we can save it until tomorrow. So here we go. Let me show you his and mine. This is Evan Carmichael's tuna salad. This is my tuna salad. So Timo and Tristana, they have recently discovered cucumbers. I've given them cucumbers to eat as a snack, and they really enjoy it. Especially Tristana, he just swallowed. Well, she just swallowed the cucumbers. Do you guys want to eat some cucumbers? So Evans took a little not even 5 minute, 1 minute break. He's gonna taste the tuna salad and
This tuna looks green.
Tuna and avocado and eggs.
Did you show it to the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What am I eating? Oh.
Here you go.
Oh, wow. Okay, I can get used to this.
Okay, eat.
You want to feed it to me
No.
too? Do it like...
No. This is tuna, eggs, and avocado. When was the last time we had a salad?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Oh, very light.
Yeah, it's light. People usually use mayonnaise, but I use egg and avocado.
Mm.
Yeah, so
I was
it's
expecting it to be
light.
heavier because it's tuna. Wow. Mm. Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all yours. Okay, you can take the plate now.
Oh!
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any requests, please leave it in the comment below and I will be checking them every day. Maybe. Yes. I will check them every day. If you guys want to see how I make keto shepherd's pie, check the video next to me. I'll see you there.